Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you all what I received in my Boxycharm for the month of May. I know I'm a little bit late. I have been MIA for a couple of months, but I'm trying to get back into the routine of posting again. So I hope you all just enjoy my video today. Okay, so for May, Boxycharms is Flourish. This is the card that came in a box. The back gives you the details of what's inside the box. So my box, I received the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, which looks like this in this container. And it detoxified and revitalized skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin barriers while you sleep. And the retail price for this is $74. I've seen this in the stores, but I've never really paid attention to it. So I'm excited to use this on my skin at night after I cleanse and do, take my makeup off and stuff like that. So I'm really ready to see how this will work for my skin, because it says that it's a daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging, which I never knew. So I'm glad I received this in my box. So I am going to be excited to try this as a part of my routine for my skin moisturizing. The second thing in my box I received is the Cobb Cosmetics Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette, which looks like this. These are the colors in here. And it says this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. Now, this palette is supposed to be a new launch, and it retails for $52. I've never heard this brand before. This is my first time seeing this brand because it's in my Boxycharm box. But I'm going to try it out, but I've never heard of the brand before. So I'm hoping it'll work out for me. The next item in my box is the Skin Ink, my daily dose of Uplift, which is this serum. And it says that the Skin Reviving Serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. And this retails for $65. I've been looking for a good serum for my skin, so I'm going to be excited to try this as well in my box. With me being 44 years old and my skin trying to keep it kind of aged and hydrated, I'm definitely excited about this product in the box. The next thing I received is the Trestique Refillable Brow Pencil Plus Gel, which is this here. And it says this super sleek 2-in-1 brow pencil is 100% refillable. Keep your forever case and refill your brow pencil and gel to your heart's content. From the materials to the packaging, everything was developed through a lens of sustainability, better for you and the planet. The brow pencil features a triangular shaped tip to define brows, while the flexible tinted gel on the other side grooms and sets. It's everything you need for natural looking perfectly sculpted brows. This retails for $26. I'm sorry, but I have some of their bronzer sticks that I received in Boxycharm, and I really like them. So I can't wait to see how this works for me as well. Now the shade, I'm not 100% sure if it's dark enough for me, like a taupey type shade. So we'll see how it works for me. I'm still going to give it a try and see how it works. But I definitely use the eyebrow gel on the other end. It's a funny wand. It's big on this side. So I guess it's made to comb your hairs up on your brows when you set them. So I'm looking forward to using this as well. The last item in my box is a Sophia Maybelle Hydrating, which is in this container here, Hydrating Hybrid. This Hydrating Hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with full coverage of a satin finished lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere you go and apply when you're in need of a little extra moisture with a subtle pop of color. And this retails for $15. So let's see what shade it's in. It's more like a mauve type shade. Okay, so it feels like a balm. It feels like more like a balmy lipstick, like the description that they gave, a balmy lipstick type. And it's really creamy, so I can't wait to try this on my lips to see how it performs as far as the nourishing part. So that is my May Boxycharm box. And again, my box retail for $74.52, $65, $26, and $15. That's well over over $200, almost close to $300 for this month's box for $25, I believe, a month. I'm not 100% sure what comes out of my account for, whether it's $24 or $25. But I still think it's worth the money, especially considering the Murad that's in here and the skin ink. So these two products I'm really definitely excited about in my Boxycharm for the month of May are these two items that I'm really excited to try and looking forward to trying to see how it works for me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you're viewing on my channel, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.